channel, this is Alison, and thanks for the old friends for tuning in and welcome the new friends. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to engrave on wood as well as on aluminum, and I will use our LaserPecker 4 as well as the LaserPecker Design Space software. And you can duplicate the process and get good results. And as you know that photos are really good gifts for your friends and for your family members. And also for some small business owners, you can make some customized products for your clients here. So I'm going to take you through the whole process. And in the first part, I will show you how to choose a beautiful picture. And then we will just start out engraving. So you can leave your comments in our comment section and I will pick one lucky winner and send you a small gift for you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube live channel. So let's just go ahead and get some beautiful poppy pictures. And now I'm going to tell you how to choose the right picture. So we have 3 rules, and basic rule number 1, that is to choose a picture that has a really high resolution. So why you need to choose high resolution? Because that will help you to have the better engraving result. And as you can see, I have already chosen 2 pictures for you. And on my left one, that is one with a really poor resolution. And on the right one here, you can see this one just got a better resolution here. And rule number 2, that is to find the picture that really has a very high contrast. And if you are doing the people, you just need to make sure that the background separates from them a little bit. And let me show you 2 pictures here. As you can see, the picture on the left one, the poppy really stands out, and this is a good picture. And the picture on the right one, as you can see that this one, the image here and also with the object, they are just got the similar colors. So this one is not a very good one. And rule number 3, that is to try to remove the background for the animals or for the people, or just at least blur the background, because that will make you to have the better engraving. And let me show you 2 pictures here. So the one on the right one, you can see this is a picture with the background, and on the right one, this is a picture without the background. So this one is good and perfect. You can just import it to the LaserPecker Design Space, and then you can see that if you want to have the pictures that has a really high quality, I can give you some recommendations just to download the free high quality pictures. And the first one is the pixels, as you can see here. So you can see so many beautiful pictures for you to download, and most of it are free. And next website I would like to recommend, that's our Pixabay, yeah, similar one, and where you can also download the pictures. And the next one, that's the Pixels. So Pixels here, as you can see, the pictures that is really beautiful here. Yeah, so that's my recommendation for you. And now let's just go back to LaserPecker Design Space. Alright, so when we go to LaserPecker Design Space, we want to just import the video, the picture we want. Oh, this is my dog, and this is copper and kind of cute, right? So if you want to engrave your pets, and here we go. So for this picture here, you can see first you just need to change the picture to the Dithering Mode. And some of you may ask me, what is Dithering Mode? Dithering Mode is about using different densities of black and white pixels to emulate the different shades of gray color. But this picture here, it has a background, because I have already told you before that if you want to engrave only the main object, and if you want to have the better engraving effect, you can just remove the background. And here I have 3 ways to recommend for you to engrave the background. And the first one, that I will use Photoshop and just to remove the background. So you can use iPhone to remove the background. Let me show you how to do that. You want to choose a picture and you press it long, and you can see copy here, and then you can just paste it anywhere you want. For example, I want to paste it to myself and paste. You can see it the dog, my cover, has already just got a no background here, and when you confirm, you can see it's already down. Okay, I want to show you the third way here to remove the background. That is to use our app here, and that is suitable for the ones with the pure background. Let me show you. So this is a copper, and this one just has a pure background, and I want to remove that. You can use a magic eraser on our app here. So press this, add it, and use a magic eraser and make it a little smaller, so that will make your details look better, to make sure it won't erase the main object. And then we'll press OK. You can see, all right, so copper. Now this is a copper without the background. It's only the main object here. But before you do the engraving, I still want to tell you some techniques about want to tell some strategies about how to make the picture to look better. If I do the engraving, I will usually use to sharpen the picture a little bit. Let me show you here. So you can use two ways to sharpen your picture, and as you can see, and this is the one that you can see the difference. I want to compare for you. Still Dithering Mode. You can see this is a picture that I have already sharpened it, and this is a picture that is the original one. So if you sharpen this, and this will make your picture details to look better, and later we will see the results. So we will just remove this one. And so for sharpening the pictures, we still have two ways, and one is to use Photoshop, and another way you can just use the tools on your phone or your computer. That's also okay. So now we already have the copper here, and this one, as you can see that he still has the white background, and the magic eraser here is just used to remove the pure color background here. It cannot just remove the very complex background. Okay, so I will just use the magic eraser here. Still make the numbers to be small, because that will make the details to look better and won't erase the main part. And then it's okay. And then we will just adjust it to the size you want, because I want to make it a little bigger. Okay, and for the pictures here, it does not only need the Dithering Mode, and also this one you just need to invert the color. Actually, this one has already inverted the color here. So when will we need to invert the color? And I can show you here. So if the engraved material is lighter, you do not need to invert the color. And if the engraved material is darker, you just need to invert the color. Okay, so as you can see that if you already invert the color here, and we can just start our preview function. And then we can go for the preview here. As you can see, do not forget to get your goggles on. And so you can see that we will set the settings. We just confirm again the power 60, depth 8, and then that's our 1064. We can just confirm here. And when you confirm, you can see that the image will be transferring, and then this one will just start engraving right away. It's very fast here. Okay, so if you want to engrave on wood, and as you can see that the engraving material is lighter, so you do not need to invert the color. And so let me just give you a quick demonstration here about the picture here. And this is Kitty. Yeah, it's my bestie's cat here, and you can see this is Kitty. And you can see that actually these are the lines, and you can just do the engraving on the wood, and we will just try for you And here the resolution here, that's also the 2K. And you can see that the power that's to be a little lower, the 50, and depth that's to be number 5. That's enough. But you know, Engraving on Wood, and we will choose the 450 nanometer blue light laser here, and we will then do the preview. So you can see that you can just put this wood here. You can just put the wood here to start our engraving. Oh, so let me just show you the results here. You can see that this one just is my final cover here. Very lovely dog, right? The details are also very perfect. And this is the kitty. I'll show you. Alright, and for the guys here, if you want to explore more engraving techniques and some more details, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube live channel, or you can just find more here.